got this table from Better Homes. It's a dining table, and we have a 2-pack chair over there. So we're gonna unbox both of them and do an instruction video.
So let's get started. Yes.
So we opened up the box and we have the instructions here. So we're gonna follow these, and we have some hardware here and all of the other things. So we have the instructions here. Take this out, and this is all the manual. Take this one. And we're gonna follow all of these and make the table. Okay, so our first step is going to be using the top table, which is right here. So we're going to take this out and start the thing, and we have all the tools here. So our first step is going to be using both of the legs and the stretcher. Okay, for this step we're going to need the small lock washers and the small flat washers and this screw. So first we have to put the small one in and then the big one, and like this we have to make 4 of them. So we have the table done. We have this legs, both of the legs here, and the stretcher, and both of the screws over here are in, and the last step is this. So we need this, and then it just sticks in. You have to push this pretty hard. For this step we're gonna need 4 of these, and the small washers and the small screws. And the first thing you put in is the locking washer, and then the small washer. And you need to make all 4 of them just like this, so you can use them whenever you want. 4 of these wood pieces, and you're gonna put them in the middle of all 4 corners. All the 8 screws tightly, and so we have 12 screwdrivers over here. We need the same thing as the last one. The small washer, the locker, and they go the small first, and then this one right here. And we need 12 of them, and we're gonna put them on the top table. So we have the table assembled finally, and we have 4 chairs done. So we're gonna do 2 more right now. Here we're going to open the chair.
I thought you already opened it, this start.
Here we have the instructions, so we're gonna do the same thing and assemble this up. So here we have the tools, the same tools basically. So we're gonna open this one up and use them to assemble the chairs. So here we have the legs. We're gonna open this one first, and then we're gonna go with the other one. We're gonna need 3 of these: the bolts, the locking washer, and the small washer. That thing in, and then when it's done you just have to screw them in. I have the big screw this time, and so we're gonna use these 2. We're gonna put the small one first and then the big one, and then we're gonna screw them in over here. We have all the screws screwed in, and now our chair is finally done. Whole table done here, and as you can see both of the chairs are done, and yeah.